Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Enchanted Cities. So India, a country so vast, is bound to have some breathtaking sights. There are certain cities in India which are of enchanting historical significance. These have been the epicenter of religious and cultural growth. Identify and write the names of the enchanted cities with the help of the clues given below. So the first is, it is the quintessential Mughal city that was the capital of Mughal Empire in the 16th and 17th century, and it is a place where the world wonder at the magical monument symbolizing emperor's love of his wife. मुगल एम्प्रर शाहजहां ने एक लव सिंबल यहाँ बनाया था, ठीक है, तो आपको सबको पता है दिस इज द वन ऑफ द 7 वंडर. सो दिस इज आगरा. यहाँ आपका हेल्प बुक्स है, यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम देयर AGRA आगरा. Next is the ancient capital of the Rajput clan of Tomar and Khachwahans, and it is a city that remembers not only its king but also its poets, singers and saints with pride. राजपूत की सिटी रही है, राजपूत क्लैन की, और ये अपने किंग के लिए तो जाने ही जाती है. उसके अलावा यहाँ के पोएट, सिंगर, सेंट्स जो हैं उनका भी नाम बड़े प्राइड के साथ लिया जाता है. सो नंबर 2 इज, सी द हेल्प बॉक्स, दैट इज ग्वालियर. Next is, centuries ago it was on the Campbell trade route between India and Central Asia. इंडिया और सेंट्रल एशिया का एक टाइम पर ये ट्रेड रूट हुआ करता था. It is a city that rises from the deserts like a golden mirage. So this is Jaisalmer. So write down from here, this is number 3, Jaisalmer. Okay. Number 4, the oldest inhabited city in the world where Lord Shiva is worshipped in innumerable temples and shrines. So that is Varanasi. पुरानी सिटी है जिसमें भगवान शिव की पूजा की जाती है. So that is Varanasi. Number 4, right? यहाँ जैसलमेर, this is Varanasi. Okay. Now next is the ancient capital of the Kalinga Empire. At one time, the Bindusagar tank had over 700 temples around it. Of these, 500 still survive, all built in the extravagant Odyssean style. और ये ancient capital है कलिंगा एम्पायर की, ठीक है. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे टेम्पल बनाए गए हैं. 700 से भी ज़्यादा टेम्पल थे, लेकिन अभी सिर्फ 500 टेम्पल जो है वही सर्वाइव करते हैं. सो ओडिसन स्टाइल में ये बने हुए हैं. सो दैट इज Bhubaneswar. So number 5 is Bhubaneswar. Next is a heady blend of serenity and excitement down 100-kilometer coastline studded with some of the world's most beautiful beaches. And for the people here, life is a celebration to the melody of guitars and mellow songs. So this is beautiful Goa, right? So number 6 is Goa. So this is number 6. Next is the ancient land of Mithila, and it was the capital of the Lichachwis and one of the earliest republics of the world. Emperor Ashoka erected one of his famous pillar here to mark the spot of the last prayer meeting. और Emperor Ashoka ने यहाँ पर एक पिलर भी बनाया है, ठीक है. And it is the ancient land of Mithila. So this is Vaishali. So this is number 7. Come to the last, that is, it is the place where Buddha gained enlightenment. जहाँ बुद्धा को enlightenment मिली थी, नाम से ही आपको पता लग रहा है, that is बोध गया, right? After spending 7 weeks of pondering over his awakening, Buddha stepped out to spread his message in the world. Near this land is a river where the bath after enlightenment, it still follows close by. So this is Bodh Gaya. So this is number 8. Okay. Both गया. सो बच्चे, दिस इज द चैप्टर. आई होप आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे, देन एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे.